Follow your dreams. This is something we hear often throughout our life. I think this is one of the most important things in life. Find out what your dream is and set forth to accomplish it. No dream is too big or too small. Let's start out with defining what a dream is. A dream is a cherished aspiration, ambition, or ideal. It is created by you. This is one quote I love. If you don't build your dreams, someone will hire you to help build theirs. Throughout this discussion, I want you to think about what your dream is and what you are going to do to follow that dream. This is why I want to follow my dreams. I want to follow my dreams because I have a passion for helping others and I want to feel proud and accomplished. But the most important reason I want to follow them is because I want to be happy. If I am not happy, then no one else around me will be. There are many reasons you should follow your dreams as well. First and foremost, it will make you happy. Your family will be proud of you and you will be proud of you. No one else is going to follow them for you. You should always love the job you're doing. You have to do it the majority of your life anyways. Like Mark Anthony says, if you do what you love, you'll never work a day in your life. My dream is to become a registered nurse with my BSN. I want to work in a hospital for a few years, but after that I would love to do travel nursing. That is my dream job. Although I don't want to pursue this my whole nursing career, I would like to do it for a few years at least. I have taken steps already to achieve this goal. I have started going back to school so that I can obtain my nursing degree and get my BSN after that. I started my career in a hospital about 6 months ago so I could gain some great experience as a CNA that would prepare me. Throughout my research journey, I gained a lot of information about what travel nursing career consists of and all of the pros and cons. Here's a motivational speech I found. I'll play that.
I didn't have a choice. I didn't have a choice. When you have a dream, and the dream is something you dream and then it happens, the dream is something you never knew was going to come into your life. Dreams always come from behind you, not right between your eyes. It sneaks up on you. But when you have a dream, it doesn't often come at you screaming in your face. This is who you are. This is what you must be for the rest of your life. Sometimes a dream almost whispers. And I've always said to my kids, the hardest thing to listen to, your instincts, your human personal intuition, always whispers, it never shouts. Very hard to hear. So you have to, every day of your lives, be ready to hear what whispers in your ear. It very rarely shouts. And if you can listen to the whisper, and if this tickles your heart, and it's something you think you want to do for the rest of your life, then that is going to be what you do for the rest of your life. I didn't have a choice. I didn't have a choice. I dreamed for a living. Years later, I realized, well, that's exactly what I do. I dream for a living. This is what I've done all my life. This is what I've wanted to do with my life.
After watching that video, I found a really great read about following your dreams on a site called Experience Life. This article was called Follow Your Dream. It consisted of 3 different people's stories. All the stories were different, but they each ended with the person following their dream. I recommend this read if you have a few minutes. It's kind of long, but it is very inspiring. Let me tell you about the owner of Cane's Chicken. His name is Todd Graves. Graves had always wanted to open a fast food chain that only served chicken strips. During college, Graves got the worst grade on his business plan. His college professor and the banks he went to try to get a loan all told him that his idea of a chicken finger restaurant would never work. Graves then worked different odd jobs. He was a boiler maker, and he fished commercially. After working these jobs, he was finally able to come back to Louisiana and get the SBA loan he wanted. The loan was just enough for him to renovate an old building and make it the first Raising Cane's to ever open. This was in the year of 1996. Ever since he opened this store, it's been a hit, and he has opened many around the world. One actually just opened in Broomfield, and this is his dog who actually inspired him. I think that Graves is a great example of following your dreams. Even though a lot of people told him that he couldn't do it, he still went out and he did it. And look at where he is at now. He's a successful business owner with amazing chicken strips and sauce. This is one of the songs that really just kept me going when I felt like giving up. It's by Journey. It's Don't Stop Believing. I'm sure a lot of you have heard it before. So I just wanted to end this talk by giving you this song and a few quotes to help you stay motivated while you find your dream and you go for it. Oh. And here are the quotes. Believe in yourself, have faith in your abilities. Without a humble but reasonable confidence in your own powers, you cannot be successful or happy. And stay where you are, use what you have, do what you can. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed.